Welcome back for another exciting tutorial on kinetic type. That part was rehearsed, but a lot of this is going to be improv, so just bear with me. I know I promised you guys I was going to be moving some lines across the screen, showing you guys how to mask and reveal stuff with these magic lines, but I changed it up a little bit. So let me show you guys exactly what part of my animation I will be doing a demo on today. So pay attention.
Time. Death.
Okay, so we're going to be doing some rotating text to make it look like it is flipping from top to bottom, however you want to say that. So I've already kind of set something up in After Effects, and I tweaked it a little bit so that it doesn't stop and it's more of a continuous cycle. So if we go through this clip really quick, I'll show you guys exactly what that looks like. So it's just going to kind of continuously move through this cycle instead of stopping at each word, which gives it a little more it's a little bit more smooth. So if you're looking for that effect, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. And I told you guys this was gonna be mostly improv, so here we go. So you're gonna create a new composition. We're gonna do it for about 10 seconds. The rest of this is fine, so just click OK. We are gonna make a new shape, and it's white. Great, that's our background. We're gonna go down to text layer, and right in the middle we're just gonna type love, but we're gonna spell it right. So go to your paragraph, make sure it's centered, make sure it is aligned, and then we're gonna drop this down, look at our transforms, and we're really gonna focus in on position and rotation. So just make sure this starts at the beginning. Click on this little 3D box here, drop that down, and then we're also going to set up some guides. So drop a guide, wherever on your screen, and then drop a second guide so it kind of looks like love is in the middle. So once you have your guides dropped in, you are going to start your position and start your X rotation. So we're going to do X rotation first, and I've already measured this out, so we're going to go with -85. So it's going to look a little flat. And then for our position, we're just going to move that up to where our guide is. Then we're going to go about a second into it. We're going to drop another keyframe for each. This time, this is going to be 0. And then your position, you kind of want to just put it back in the middle. Now, I don't know exactly where that was, but that looks like a pretty good guess. So right now, we have it going from top to the middle. And now we are going to go from middle to bottom. So if you wanted to do it like I showed you in my Collateral Beauty kinetic type video, you would just place another keyframe about right here at the same positions to give it that brief pause. But since we're doing a continuous kind of roll, we're just going to go right ahead to 2 seconds. We're going to drop another keyframe here. We're going to do our position to 85, and we're going to move that position down to the bottom. Okay, so once you have that done, you can go ahead and kind of preview it. We are going to pull this back here to disappear right at that last keyframe. That looks about right. And then we are going to duplicate our layer. So that is just Command D. We're going to move our layer so that way it overlaps by 15 seconds. So now as love starts to disappear, you're going to see the second love come on the screen. So that is 114, so let's move that to 115. That's going to go to 2 minutes. Okay, so then we're going to come here. In the middle, we are going to change this word to time. So you got love, time. So now we're going to duplicate this layer again. Again, that was just Command D. We are going to take it 15 seconds apart. So just come to the end of this, go back 15, so that's exactly at 3 seconds. Move that baby over. Come to the middle of this, change your type. Death. And then, if you guys want to, we can duplicate all 3 of these again. I'm not sure that happened exactly how I wanted it to, so let's undo. We can duplicate love, move that up, 15 seconds. So now it's going to start back at love once it cycles through after death 1 time. Let's duplicate that, move this up, move it down, and we're going to do 1 more. So we're going to duplicate death, move that up, slide it down. Okay, so if we play it from the beginning, we're just going to have a continuous rotating circle of the words love, time, and death. Okay, so pretty easy. That's all 10 seconds, and it's a little bit smoother than what I had in my video, so who knows, maybe we'll go back and change that. But that's all I have for you guys today, so make sure you check out my next video coming to you guys next week. Just make sure you guys hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.